One test that you can do if you're suspecting scoliosis in either your kid or a patient or something is known as Adam's test. No association. I didn't make this. It just happens to have the same name as me. I'm going to ask Miriam here to bend forward and try to touch her toes for us. And what we're looking for when she does this is if there's any asymmetry back here. Now again, Miriam's got a very, very low curve, but we are seeing a little bit of hiking or rib humping. That's the term that's used to describe this on her. I believe that's the right side. Yes, Miriam, you can come back up. So that rib humping is considered a positive test. Adam's test. Use it on your teens if you think they have scoliosis.